shifter has been mounted, ladies and gentlemen. Came out nice. Straightforward install. 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Neutral safety switch. Rear backup lights. Switch. All intact. Working good. Right there. Everything bolted up real nice. So the next thing is making the hole for the cable, but that's a little bit down the line once I get the tranny in and all that. But this is what it looks like so far. I'll go through the gears for you. Never had a slap shifter before, but this thing's gonna be badass, man. Lift up. That's neutral, I think. And then that's park. But this thing's badass, man. Just slap it, just like that. Go through the gears. Alright, that's the B&M shifter. Light.